Hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For this video, I am showing you how I finished the collar area. I have done a tutorial on how to crochet this part. As you can see, most of my garments I do knitting and crocheting combined together to give a different one-of-a-kind looks. So here is one of them, and after this video I'm going to show you how to crochet the bottom of this blouse that I've been knitting. This is a linen yarn that I've been working on. Tell me about it. It is really competitive to work with this yarn. As you can see how it looks when you knit it up, right? So I haven't blocked it or anything, so it's in work in progress. I have my oops. Another thing, I don't have to wear anything underneath. So I have my bra underneath, and I have my knitting needles. I wanted to show you my knitting needles, but you saw my bra over there. That's okay, we're all human beings, right? So it's not see-through. That's fantastic. That's what I like about it. I knit it with number 4 millimeter knitting needle, circular knitting needle, and the edges here I did it with a 3.5 crochet hook. So watch that video how to do the neck area. You don't have to do it this way. It's one of my edges that I have put it together. I also have a tutorial on a blanket I did 2 years ago on how to crochet this stitch. I think it turned out fantastic. First I tried it with 10 double crochet. It was too much, so this is 5. I think it turned out pretty good. You can even do it with a 3 double crochet to give this nice picot look. That's what I was aiming for. And I haven't blocked it or anything, and I just think it turned fantastic. So watch that video on how to crochet the edge, because I did camel toe backward single crochet, and then on the second row I did this stitch, just because the collar was too big for me. I thought it wasn't. I did my increases, but that's okay. I ended up doing this crochet edge, and it turned fantastic. Yeah. So yeah. So stay tuned for the next tutorial that's going to be come up on how to do the edge of this blouse, and I will do a showcase, fashion showcase, and how it looks on me. It's just fantastic. I love this linen yarn. Thank you, everybody. I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.